Hi, I'm Liz Brown. I'm a 2017 graduate of USM, and I feel honored to have been asked to share my books with you. Sometime in 2012, I was walking down a hall at USM. As I passed by a classroom, I happened to see someone I knew, and as I stopped to say hi to her, I was enchanted by what I saw going on in this class. They were making artists' books. I had never heard of this art form and was not aware of the book arts program at USM. But after that day, I was hooked. In the first book arts class I took, we had to have a theme for the semester, which gave me a chance to commemorate a trip to Japan I had recently taken. This was my first attempt at pop-ups, which I love, and I'm sure I'll be making many more of those. One of the best things about the book arts program is the summer book arts, where I had my first experience with gelatin printing. This is a tunnel book made with screen prints. This one speaks for itself. In the fall of 2014, my daughter went on a voyage with Semester at Sea. Over a 3-month period, she visited 14 countries in Europe, South America, and the Caribbean. I made a page for each place she went, showing exactly where the ship docked or the city or location she visited on shore. I found a website that generates watercolor maps, which I used on the front of each page with the place and dates on the back. As well as the book construction, this was a challenge that taught me a lot about printers and papers. I think this is the book I am most proud of so far. In 2017, I went to the Chateau of La Napoule on the ocean in France's Côte d'Azur with a group led by Rebecca Goodale and Lynn Lisberger. This is a tunnel book representing part of the castle's beautiful gardens. In 2017, a couple of months after I graduated, an immediate family member of mine died unexpectedly. Later that year, I made this pop-up book called No Control. A more cheerful pop-up book, Jungle Garden. Playing with leftover scraps of paper. In 2019, USM sponsored another trip, this time to Italy. I made this Dos a Dos book to commemorate the days I spent in Florence and our week at Spanocchia, a farm in Tuscany. My sketchbook at the farm. I took advantage of our residency to work on my drawing skills. Our daily critiques were a huge help with this. I feel very lucky to be a member of the Center for Book Arts critique group. Here are a couple of our collaborative books with my contribution to the most recent one, which was dedicated to remarkable Maine women. My most recent book arts class was last semester, the printed book, which combined printing techniques with book structures. I had a lot of fun with this assignment using combinations of stamps for a specific number of pages to make a boxed set of 3 books. Unfortunately, COVID struck and we had to start quarantining and Zooming right in the middle of the class. This collagraph book is my response to the pandemic: virus, masks, isolation. This book is my final project for the class. It includes stamps, pochoir, and collagraph made at my dining room table.